body. So this pharyngeal slits are a third corded feature. These are openings between the pharynx or throat and the outside. They have been modified extensively in the course of evolution. In primitive chordates, these slits are used to filter food particles from the water. So the correct answer is pharynx with gill slits. Next one is, which of the following statement is true for lymph? And the options are WBC atom serum, all components of blood except RBCs, platelets and some proteins, RBCs, WBCs and plasma, and the last one is RBCs, proteins and platelets. So the answer is option B, all components of blood except RBCs, platelets and some proteins. Because lymph is a fluid which mainly contains white blood cells, proteins and fat. It can be defined as blood minus the RBCs and some proteins. It is formed by the collections of the interstitial fluid into the is a network of, and the options are muscle fibers distributed throughout the heart wall, muscle fibers found only in the ventricle wall, nerve fibers distributed in ventricle, and the last one is nerve fibers found throughout the heart. So the answer is option B, muscle fibers found only in the ventricle wall. Because bundle of teeth is a collection of heart muscles which is specialized for electrical conduction. As part of the electrical conduction system of the heart, it transmits the electrical impulses from the AV node to the point of the apex of the fascicular branches via the bundle branches. The fascicular branches then lead to the Purkinje fiber, which provides electrical conduction to the ventricles, causing the cardiac muscle of the ventricles to contract at a spaced interval. So the answer is muscle fibers found only in the ventricle wall. Number 10 question is, among the following characters, which one was not considered by Mendel in his experiments on teeth? And the options are triform granular or non-granular, split, green or yellow, spot, planet or constricted, same, tall or dry. So the answer is triform granular or non-granular. Because Mendel conducted hybridization experiments on bird and bee for several years and postponed the law of inheritance in living organisms, wherein it is for the first time that statistical analysis and mathematical logic were applied to problems in biology. These are the 7 characters which are studied by Mendel, and Mendel using this key plant were present, stem, height, flower color, flower position, pod shape, pod color, seed shape and seed count. So the correct answer is option A, triform granular or non-granular. Alright guys, it was a great connecting. You have a good one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget the subscribe button and please also press the bell icon to receive notifications. Thanks a lot.